Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this lesson, we're going to look at the steps to use Copilot Vision on Windows 11. So Vision is a feature that allows you to share any window with the Microsoft Copilot app. When you share a particular window, the chatbot AI can see and understand the screen's contents, enabling it to offer help and insights, answer to questions, or guide you through a specific task using voice. Okay, let's dive into the instructions. But before we start, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. It is free and really helps to support the channel and my work. Also check my website for more tutorials and related tech news. First, let's confirm if Copilot Vision is available for your computer. You will notice that you have the feature because you will notice this glasses button right here. Now, you can also go to the settings for Copilot. However, there is not an option to enable or disable the feature other than this one that basically allows Vision to give you visual cues when asking different questions, when getting assistance. Now, to get started, you just need to click the Share Screen with Copilot button and then select the window that you want to share with the AI. So what I'm going to do here is just to have a conversation with the AI. So I'm not going to be explaining, but I'm just going to show you how this works by giving you a live demo.
What's on your mind today?
Can you show me how to update my computer?
All right, let's get your computer updated. Click on Windows Update on the bottom left of the screen. Found it?
Yes.
Awesome. Now, in the Windows Update section, click Check for Update. Your system will then look for any updates, and if found, we'll start downloading them. Good to go?
Yeah, but I don't see the option. Can you point it to me?
The Check for Updates button for you. Just click on that, and you'll be all set.
Okay.
Cool. Give that a click anytime you want to check for the latest updates. Good to go?
Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
No problem. Hey there, user. What's new with you?
Now, I need to change the font on Notepad, but I don't know where to go to make that change. Can you show me?
Click on the View menu, then select Font to change your font settings. Ready for me to highlight it for you?
Yes, please.
I've highlighted the View menu for you. Click on that to get to the font settings. All good?
Yeah, but I don't see the font setting.
Got it. It seems the font option is under the Edit menu in the newer Notepad. Ready for me to highlight where to click?
Yes.
I've highlighted the Edit menu for you. Click on that to find the font settings. Good to go?
Yes.
It seems that the font settings aren't in the Edit menu. Let's try the Format menu instead. Shall I highlight it for you?
Yes.
You're in the right place now. Under text formatting, you can adjust the font, style, and style. Ready to make your changes?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy customizing your Notepad. Let me know if you need anything else.
No, that's all.
Got it. If you need anything else, feel free to ask.
Copilot Vision is not only available for the desktop version of Copilot, but also on Microsoft Edge. And let me just give you a quick demo on how that works. You just need to click the Copilot button on the top right, and then you're not going to find a specific Vision button. However, here we have to click the microphone button.
Hey, user.
Hey, how are you?
Doing great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. I'm just trying to figure out what is this page about.
Sure thing. This page is about Windows 11. It's highlighting the new features and capabilities like AI integration and enhanced productivity tools. It's showcasing how Windows 11 can simplify your digital life and boost your productivity. What's caught your interest about Windows 11?
The desktop computers, but I can't find the link. Can you show me the specific link?
You can just look towards the top of the page.
Oh, I found it.
Let's dive into the details. Catching your eye about the desktop computers.
That's all I needed. Thanks.
I could handle anytime.
And that's it. Those are two quick demos on how Copilot Vision works on Windows 11. Let me know in the comments if you're going to be using this feature. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.